Alright, here it is, Saturday, July 18th. Car's been in the garage all night, and he just come push on this seat. We'll put it under the seat to listen more. Yeah, the problem is not the track. I'm pushing straight down on the seat. It'll disappear as I move the seat forward. Where these sides start pinching against here, it will get to where you can't push down and make that sound. But the problem is not the tracks, and don't know what it is, but it's obvious, and hopefully someone can fix it, whether it be replace the seat or replace parts.